Excellency, Governor of Telangana, Dr. Tamil Sai Soundararajan Garu, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of the 7th edition of the Times Business Award, Hyderabad, organized by Optimal Media Solutions, Times of India Group. Although Telangana is the youngest state in the country, the state has conquered a place of pride by setting new benchmarks for excellence. The retail and the real estate sectors have witnessed an unprecedented growth over the last decade, driven by robust economic growth, rapid urbanization, changing lifestyles, and ever-evolving aspirations. The SME and the MSMEs, startups have equally got the importance and boost in these fast-growing states. The government has recently launched the Startup Telangana portal, which will be one-stop platform for the state startup ecosystems. It also launched T-Face, a virtual incubation platform for supporting startups, VLSI, and chip designing space. You're also aware that MSMEs have been attracting huge and welcome investments, creating space for high employment. Recently, Malabar Group, Jute Mills, and Kitex Textiles of Kerala have entered into agreements giving a real boost in MSMEs and employment. Already Indians are ready. Thus, the city of Hyderabad is poised to become hub for new investments in all the 4 sectors that I spoke of. While my heart goes to encouraging this industrial growth, particularly MSME, SME, real estate, and retail, etc., I'm conscious of my duties as civic head, as mayor of our Hyderabad, to provide the social infrastructure and other civic amenities that go to support such a huge expansion of business. Despite the massive disruption due to COVID-19 pandemic, Hyderabad's residential real estate sector has remained resilient. According to JLL report in 2020, new launches in the city reached a record high of 23,692 units, manifesting a growth of 106% over the previous year. So far in 2021, launches have already reached 83% of 2020 volume, owing to developers' positive outlook on the city's residential market. Although buyers were inclined towards more spacious homes, budget homes have also witnessed a surge in demand. Decentralization policies have led to the growth of new residential pockets, and investors are showing interest in plots which promise manifold returns in future. I commend Optimal Media Solutions for their effort in identifying Hyderabad's top realtors to give buyers the information required to make an informed choice. Popular as a high street retail destination, Hyderabad saw significant movement in the retail sector even this year. According to reports, the city witnessed approximately 60,000 square feet being leased by standalone outlets during the first quarter, with store sizes ranging from 400 square feet to 15,000 square feet. Newer trends such as malls, designer labels, and unique shopping concepts also thrive in the cosmopolitan city that constantly reinvents itself. The highly competitive market offers plenty of opportunities and scope to innovate and grow, but it's only a few who overcome the hurdles who emerge victorious. Over the years, Times Business Awards have become a benchmark for retail and real estate brands. To make it to the list of winners is no easy task. I'm amazed at the resilience and tenacity of the winners of these prestigious titles. Every one of you represents the very best the industry has to offer. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to you all. I sincerely applaud today's winners for being key drivers of the economy and wish them the best for the years to come. Thank you.